Good evening, class. This is Gausia Rasool signing in from Jammu and Kashmir. I am married and live with a family of three members. Regarding my qualification, I have done bachelor's in science. Also, I completed a B.Ed in the year 2014, and after that, I completed my master's in computer applications. I start preparing for civil services in the year 2017. It was the state level civil service I was preparing for, and I appeared in the exam twice. In the first attempt, I qualified my prelims and couldn't qualify it in second attempt. And back in the year 2021, I got married, and due to some family situation, I couldn't pursue that preparation, and finally I landed here. So this is all about my introduction. Let us come to the topic we are going to discuss today. Okay, the topic we are going to discuss today is human physiology. First of all, we need to know what physiology is. Physiology is the branch of biology that studies with the functioning or the various activities of human body that is performed by the human body. That's called as physiology. Okay, human physiology. The various physiological processes of that a human body performs is digestion, excretion, circulation, respiration, and exchange of gases, neural coordination and neural control in the body, and so many other processes as well. So let us take just one aspect of physiological function a body performs. Let us take just one example or the one aspect, that is digestion and absorption of food. The digestion is the process of breaking down of complex food form into the simple absorbed form is called a digestion. Digestion is usually performed by the digestive system. The digestive system consists of alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Okay, alimentary canal is the or the contains the various parts or the organs of the body that performs the basic process of digestion. The alimentary canal includes mouth. First part that is included in the alimentary canal is mouth. Mouth is also called as oral cavity. Okay, or buccal cavity. It contains tongue. It contains teeth that help us in the breaking down, grinding of food, or mastication of food, we can say. Mouth opens in the second part, that's called a pharynx. Pharynx is also called as esophagus or food pipe. Okay, it basically acts as a passage for food, and it is guarded by a flap-like structure, cartilaginous structure, that's called as epiglottis. Okay, epiglottis help us to prevent the food from entering into the larynx or the windpipe. Esophagus or food pipe opens in a J-shaped organ that's called as stomach. Stomach is the we can say stomach is the basic organ where the main process of digestion is taking place. Stomach is divided into three parts. The first part is fundus, the second part is cardiac part, and the third part is pyloric part. Okay, various juices that those juices or those enzymes we will discuss later that are released by stomach itself that help us in the breaking down or the absorption of food. Okay, or breaking down that complex food into the simpler form. The pyloric part of the stomach opens into the small intestine, and small intestine itself is divided into three parts. Small intestine is the longest part of alimentary canal, and it is divided into three parts. The first part is duodenum. Pyloric part opens into the duodenum. Okay, and the second part is jejunum, and the third part is ileum. It is the small intestines basically that contains micro villi like structures, that are hair like structures, that are called as microvilli, that performs the basic absorption of food. We will discuss that later. After small intestines, there comes the large intestine. The large intestines also has three parts. The first part is cecum, colon, and rectum. Okay, cecum also